Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix your PayPal verification field. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your notification. Click the notification to see why your verification failed. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and verify your email address, check your inbox, and click the verification link. You might also need to verify your mobile number. So simply go ahead and head into account settings, phone, and add your number. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and ensure your name, your date of birth, and address, and match your ID. Update any incorrect information, if any. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and upload clear documents, unedited photos of your ID and proof of address, and use government issued ID like passport, driver's license, or national ID, and ensure a good photo quality. If none of it works, you might have no other option but to contact PayPal support, which is going to be paypal.com/help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.